Need to program a key fob for your 1998 to 2004 Oldsmobile Bravada? It's a common task owners can handle themselves. This process syncs the remote's transmitter with your vehicle's BCM, body control module. The fob transmits at 314.35 MHz. For successful programming, ensure your BCM is functional, the fob has fresh batteries, and there are no existing security faults. You'll only need your key and the fobs you want to program. Dealerships charge $50 to $100, so DIY saves money. User reports show a 70–80% DIY success rate, so let's get started. First, enter the vehicle with a working key. Make sure you have access to the ignition. Second, cycle the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Then immediately press the lock button on your key fob. Third, turn the ignition off. Fourth, repeat these steps for each additional fob, completing each cycle within 30 seconds to prevent the system from locking out. Important notes. Some 1998 models use a simpler two-step process. Newer models may require cycling the driver's door lock switch. If programming fails, check the BCM connector for corrosion. And remember, aftermarket remotes from Keyless Ride are compatible.